10th class we have started chapter number 12 electricity, and we have discussed till Ohm's law in our last video. Okay, so next topic is factors on which resistance of a conductor depends. So what was resistance? Resistance was the ratio of voltage and current. Okay, if I ask what is 1 ohm, how can you define, how will you define 1 ohm? So you will define 1 ohm by using this formula, that is when 1 volt is applied, when 1 volt is applied and current flow is 1 ampere, then we will say the resistance of that conductor is 1 ohm. Okay, so now the next topic is on which factors resistance of any conductor depend. Okay, so there are 4 factors on which resistance depend. One is length of wire, second is area of cross section, third is material, fourth is temperature. So I am using material and temperature in a single point. So length of wire, how resistance depend on length of wire? So answer is it depends length of conductor in direct proportion. That means कि if length is more, then resistance is more. If length is more, then resistance is more, and if length is less, then resistance is also less. Okay, next is area of cross section of wire. So first thing we need to understand, what do you mean by this cross section? So that means the area from where current will enter. Okay, let us say this is our wire. Okay, wires are cylindrical in shape. So this is a wire. So which one is area of cross section? So answer is this circular end is the area of cross section. Current will enter from this side and come out from this side. So area of cross section means pi r square, where r is radius of the wire. So it's depend on area of cross section inversely. Okay, resistance is directly proportional to length, inversely proportional to area of cross section. That means if area is more, then resistance is less, and if area is less, then resistance is more. Okay, these are the direct question from 1 mark, that we have 2 wires. One wire is of 1 kilometer, second wire is of 2 kilometer. Both have same area. So which wire has high resistance? So you will go for 2 kilometer wire, because more the length, more the resistance. Okay, area, similarly we have 2 wire of same material and same length. One wire is thicker, other is thinner. So which one has high resistance? Answer is thin wire has high resistance. And it's also depend on material and temperature. So that is the property of material. So if I combine these two, resistance depend on length, resistance depend on area. So from 1 and 2, resistance depend on both length and area. Okay, and if I remove this proportionality sign, we will get a constant, and here we will use the constant as rho. Symbol is called rho. This is constant, and the name of this quantity is resistivity. Okay, resistivity is the property of material which change with temperature. So first point, length, area of cross section, material and temperature. For that we use rho. Okay, if we change the temperature, rho will change, so resistance will change. So that's why in Ohm's law what we use, कि under similar condition, that means we can't change temperature, because if we change the temperature, that means resistance change, and and we use resistance as a constant of proportionality. So this is the formula for resistance. R is equals to rho L by A. So if we want to study rho, so what will be the formula of rho? Cross multiply. After doing cross multiply, it's become R A by L. This is the formula of rho. What is the unit for rho? It will be ohm meter. Okay, and its name is resistivity, and we also call it specific resistance. Why we use this word specific resistance? Because it is also resistance, but a special case of resistance. So special case, to understand special case, we will go for formula. So formula is R is equals to rho L by A. If length is 1 meter and area of cross section is 1 meter square, then R become rho. Okay, if we put 1 here, 1 here, we will get R is equals to rho. That means resistivity is also resistance. Resistivity is also a resistance, but the special condition is we take length 1 meter and area 1 meter square. So that resistance is called resistivity. Let us take an example of iron rod. If we take iron, a rod of iron, a wire of iron whose length is something and area is something, and by using this formula we will apply potential difference, we will measure current, and on taking the ratio of that we will get resistance of that iron wire. Okay, but if we take the wire whose length is 1 meter and area is 1 meter, and then we will apply that formula to find its resistance, that value is called resistivity. Okay, in our NCERT book, page number 207, there are some materials whose resistivity is given. It's on temperature 20 degrees Celsius. Okay, so let me write these values, some of these values. Resistivity for silver is 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 8 ohm meter at 20 degrees Celsius. Okay, and copper has 1.62. This is, we can take 1.60. For copper it is 1.62. Take an example how to solve questions related to resistivity. This is NCERT question number 6 from exercise. I have written in short. So a copper wire has a diameter of 0.5 millimeter and resistivity is 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 8 ohm meter. If resistance of this wire is 10 ohm, find the length of the wire. So this is the question. How will we solve this question? So let us write the data. What is diameter? Diameter is 0.5 millimeter. So you know how to convert millimeter into meter? Answer is just multiply it by 10 raised to power minus 3. So it will become 10 raised to power minus 3 ohm meter. If I remove this point, it will become 5 into 10 raised to power minus 4 ohm meter. So if we have diameter and we need area of cross section, that is pi r square. So we need radius. So radius will be half of diameter, that is, what is the half of 5? 5 by 2 into 10 raised to power minus 4, that is 2.5 into 10 raised to power minus 4 ohm meter. This will be the radius. Okay, next thing is resistivity is given 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 8 ohm meter, and if resistance is 10 ohm, resistance is given as 10 ohm, we have to find length. Okay, so let us apply the formula of resistance which contain this data. So what is the formula for resistance? Answer is R is equals to rho L by A. What is the value of R? Answer is 10. What is the value of rho? It is given 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 8 into length. We will find upon A, area is pi r square. Okay, because we take area of cross section. What is the value of pi? 22 by 7. What is the value of r square? That is 2.5 into 10 raised to power minus 4 square. So what will be the value of L? By doing cross multiply, you will get 10 into 22 by 7 into 2.5 into 2.5, since we have square, into 10 raised to power minus 8 divided by, this term will be in denominator 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 8. This will cancel this and you can solve this question very easily. After solving this, you get around 122 point something meter. Okay, so you can solve this question easily. We know the formulas, we have to put the values and we can solve this question easily.